Hello everyone, welcome back to our session. As we have learned in a previous session that horizontal and vertical lines are drawn on maps and globes. However, these lines are not actually drawn on the Earth's surface. If we look at the Earth from space, we do not see any such lines on its surface. Hence, we can call them imaginary lines. There are two types of imaginary lines, and that are latitudes and longitudes. Now let's learn something about latitudes. Before that, I'm going to share one screen with you. Please watch it and listen me carefully. So you can see one screen on your computer, that lines of latitude and lines of longitudes. Here we can say these lines are running parallel. So these all are called parallels of latitude. Now we have two important lines for latitudes and longitudes, that is equator and prime meridian. But why they are called very important line? So let's discuss about that. Latitude. Now, equator is the most important line of latitude. Why? Because it divides our Earth into two equal halves. This part and this part. This is called northern hemisphere and this is called southern hemisphere. Hemisphere means half of the sphere. Now, same way, line of longitudes. For longitudes, prime meridian is the most important line because it divides our Earth into vertically shape, and this equator divides our Earth in a horizontal shape. So these two lines are very important, latitude and longitude. Moving towards next screen, how does equator divides and what is the main purpose of that? That can you see this equator? Yes, equator is dividing our Earth into two parts. This is called northern hemisphere and this is called southern hemisphere, but it divides our Earth horizontally. Like that way, same way, prime meridian also divides our Earth into two halves, but vertically. So this part is called Western Hemisphere and this part is called Eastern Hemisphere. Now latitudes are imaginary lines which runs from west to east. The equator is the most important line. Equator is the most important line of latitude. It divides the earth into two equal halves of hemisphere. There are upper or northern half of the earth is called the northern hemisphere and the lower or southern half is called the southern hemisphere. The equator is the longest latitude. The lines of latitudes, here you can see the lines of latitude are measured in degrees. They are numbered from 0 to 90 degrees north pole to south. The equator is at 0 degree and the degrees of the other latitude keeps increasing as we move towards the poles. The north pole and south poles are at 90 degrees. So moving towards next screen, here you can see some facts about latitudes. Here you can see the equator is the longest latitude on the earth and it divides our earth into two halves, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So for some facts about latitudes, they are known as parallels because they are running parallelly. Run in east-west direction, from east to west direction or west to east direction. Measures distance north or south from the equator. From the equator, they are measured in a degrees like 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree in northern hemisphere as well in southern hemisphere. Cross the prime meridian at right angles. Lie in planes that cross the Earth's axis at right angles and get shorter toward the poles with only the equator the longest, a great circle. So if from equator, if we are moving toward north pole, we will get all the circles short. So only equator is the longest circle. if we will see the important lines of latitude, here we have equator at 0 degree. If you are moving towards northern hemisphere, Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree, Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north, Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south, and Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree south. So these are the main important latitudes on the earth. I hope you will understand this and you will clear your doubts with me in the next session. Till time, just take care about yourself. Good day.